Hey legends, here's how to get your PerfAngle EXT up and running. First up, unscrew your rotary tool cap. You won't be needing that. Then unscrew the 3-angle adjustment silver grub screws to remove the front assembly. Now, it's important to have your disc and R-bar already tightened together, and these need to be inserted into the rotary tool along with the attachment itself, and screw on the attachment, but don't screw it all the way just yet. You'll quickly see why. Next, lock the arbor in the chuck by pressing the spindle lock button down and using the spanner. Once the disc is secured, finish screwing the attachment on so it's nice and tight. Place the back cap on, ensuring that the semicircle notch is at the bottom, like so. Tighten the back cap screw and make sure it's super tight. Now add the front assembly. Tighten those 3-angle adjustment grub screws real good. And now you're ready to go. If you're thinking of changing the angle a lot, we've also included 3 thumb tightening screws, so you can quickly change the angles. Just be sure to frequently check that they're still tight. For your safety before inserting the battery, make sure your rotary tool is on its lowest speed. That way you won't get a fright if the switch is accidentally in the on position. Since we're on the safety tip, it's recommended you don't set the variable speed dial at its full max speed, at least not at first anyway. If the dome cheater lens isn't your cup of tea, you can use the included flat tempered glass lens. Simply unscrew the 3 black bezel screws and replace like so. As a safety reminder, make sure the battery is removed before untightening and tightening any parts, and ensure all screws are super tight before operating. Have a good one. Cheers.